Hi, I'm Joey, and today I'll be answering the age-old question, what is a virtual terminal and do you need one? Let's get into it. By now, we've all seen a countertop terminal. Those physical devices you're swiping your card through at the checkout of your local grocery store, and the mobile terminals that connect to your phone via Bluetooth. Think about what those terminals do. They scan debit and credit cards, process transactions, and produce receipts. A virtual terminal essentially does the same thing, but virtually. Virtual terminals are secure web-based portals where you can manually input your customer's card information. You'll enter their card number, the expiration date, the 3-digit security code on the back, and all other personal information for added security. Once you press submit, within a few seconds, your customer's bank will verify the request and send a confirmation message if the transaction was successful. Finally, to complete your transaction, both you and your customer will receive a receipt. Almost every business can benefit from a virtual terminal. First, take service-based businesses. I'm talking about accountants, plumbers, or IT support companies. These types of businesses utilize the built-in digital invoice generator that can send secure invoices from anywhere in the world and allow them to view their incoming and outgoing payments. It also provides integration flexibility, so they can connect with various software and hardware systems to help streamline their operations. All of this information is viewable in an online dashboard. Next, we have subscription-based businesses. Let's say I own a gym. My customer swipes their card through my countertop terminal. Not only does it process that transaction, but that data transfers to my virtual terminal, giving me the option for reoccurring billing. With all that in mind, there are a few things to consider. For one, virtual terminals allow employees to manually key in card information, increasing the potential for human error. Incorrect card numbers or expiration dates can lead to failed payments and delay your chances of completing a sale. Another concern is card information not being stored securely. Because businesses using virtual terminals are typically remote or online, card information is vulnerable to data breaches. A virtual terminal without the proper security tools can lead to hefty fines and customer dissatisfactions for your business, and we don't want that. Virtual terminals do not directly integrate with shopping carts. So if you want to accept payments on your website, you will need your payment gateway to bridge that gap. And if you're already paying for a payment gateway, chances are you have access to a virtual terminal. Technically, a virtual terminal is a feature of a payment gateway. However, transactions processed through a virtual terminal cost more than your regular in-person transactions. This is because fraud is more common with this payment method. So the payment processors offset that risk by raising rates to the merchant. If this solution sounds like it would work for your business, reach out about how to get a virtual terminal so that you too can process virtual transactions today. Until next time, thanks for watching and happy processing. Record. Yeah. Virtual. I don't know why I did that. You too can process virtual transactions today.